Right, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Volkswagen video. Hey, what are you doing? I'm working. So in this video, we're gonna try to Hey, stop. In this video, Basically, we're gonna do the vinyl wrap on the Volkswagen.
So in this video, we're excited to change the color of the car. It is going to change from black to something special. I can't really describe the color of the car in words, but the closest thing I could say is it's off-white in a way, pointing towards gray. So it's white, gray, a little bit of gray tint, but mostly white. So let's go ahead and start working on that. And this is the color. I don't know if in video you guys could tell the difference or not, but it looks a little bit closer to white with a little bit of gray in it. So this paper will be white and this has a tint of gray. A lot of new Volkswagen have this color, Jettas and Passats, and even the Tiguans as well. Now the only things that I'll have to take off are the door handles and also the mirrors on both sides, because it will be in the way. Other than that, everything else is pretty much ready to go. The fender and the hood didn't have any badges, didn't have the holes for the windshield washer spray, so that's not going to be in the way. So this is ready to go, same as the doors. After I take off the handles, they'll be ready to go, and those chrome pieces at the bottom will be wrapped in gloss black, same as all the trim around the windows will be blacked out. And then the bottom pieces we're planning to wrap too, to match the color of the car. All right, we're on day 2 of the chrome delete. While the parts are getting painted, I went ahead and started wrapping these chrome pieces. This side is all complete at the bottom. I just have to do the trims around the window. And then I have to move on to the other side. So I got it wrapped till here. Now I'm gonna do this piece and then wrap around and finish on that side. As you can see, I did the bottom pieces right here. So it's gonna be that color. These are done. I blacked out the chrome pieces at the bottom, blacked out the pieces on the windows, and started wrapping the quarter panel. I have to figure out how to take off the door handles in order to wrap the doors. So that's how the car sits right now. I did start wrapping the little pieces because I am here by myself again, and it's easier to do small pieces like the bottom doors, the piece on the bumper, and then I did the gas tank and also the trunk. So it's turning out pretty good, but the quarter panel is too big for me to do, and the door, same thing. I need somebody's help to lay down the vinyl perfect. So I'll wait for somebody to come help me on the big pieces, and while I wait for that, I want to make sure that I start on this bumper because it does take a lot of work and there's a lot of pieces that I have to put together. So that's all wrapped. And then this side right here, we did the quarter panel and the rear door and those bottom pieces. So it's looking pretty good. Now on this side, I just gotta pull out that mirror, pull out the handle, and then wrap this door. And this side is complete, except for the parts that are getting painted, which are right here. What is up, guys? It's another day here, and we're gonna continue working on the Volkswagen. I have a few updates I want to share, and then I'm going to share the progress of the car, where it sits, and how much is done on it. But for now, we picked up the parts from the paint shop. They're completely painted. We let them dry for 2 weeks, and then it's time to get them wrapped so that we can complete the car. So with the wrap, the only thing left to do is wrap the 2 fenders, the hood, and that's it. Pretty much the whole car is done, and then I'll just have to assemble everything together so the car could be driven. I completely forgot that I still have to wrap these 2 little covers right here, which I have them. I just have to wrap them, put them on, and then this bumper is definitely 100% complete. And then I started wrapping the fender. This fender is done. I got the heat going on to make sure it warms up the place, but this fender is done. I still have the hood, and then I have to do this fender on this side. I started wrapping this. All I have to do is cut all the excess off and then tuck the corners in, and then this fender will be done as well. And then I will finally move to the hood. Once I do the hood, I could throw on the bumper and then finish this car finally. Alright guys, so there it is. The wrap is completely done, but we are finished for today because we have some errands to run. And I did end up finishing the hood and fenders. The hood was a little bit challenging because I'm by myself and it's a big piece, but I managed to get it done. So there it is. This is the product for now. Next day I'll come. I'll have to throw on the bumper, hook up all the lights on the bottom, and then pretty much screw everything together and show you the final product. But so far, this is what it looks like. I do love how it turned out. I love all the little black pieces that go with the white. They do stand out pretty good. But yeah, this is what it looks like for now. I got all the corners tucked in. Everything is looking beautiful. So there you have it. This bumper looks way better than the original bumper. Everything fit nice. All the gaps closed good. I did have to trim just a little bit of the foam behind the bumper because it was interfering with the new grills right here. Because the old bumper doesn't have this right here. But I trimmed a little bit and I kept the center foam. So everything is sitting pretty good. Now check out the gaps. Everything is tight there. Everything fits snug under the headlights. All the gaps look good, the lights. Same deal for this side, the gaps are really nice. Look at that. Alright guys, so the car is 100% complete, ready to hit the road. Next thing is to do an alignment because I changed the lower control arm on that side, if you guys remember. That way everything drives straight and it doesn't hit the tires. But this is the finished product. It turned out really nice. The wrap turned out nice. The bumper did as well, and then I wrapped the bottom pieces, so that was black before, on the bumper, on the doors, and then right here as well. So I think it was a good idea to go all the way down with the wrap. It makes it look like a lot nicer, like more luxurious, I guess. But I love how it turned out.
Right, so that's a wrap for today's video, and this build is complete. We didn't want to put too many videos because the damage was light. There is not that much to film, and we did show the car getting fixed. vinyl wrapped and with a better bumper and all the little details that make this 2020 VW look even better than what it was before. So thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.